Everybody, AfiaTV, hey, oh your God, dealing my home. One day, Sunday that would do one day. Chief, Emekamba, one day, hey, one day, Alex, so good. Oh your God, dealing my home. One day, my brother, I say thank you to everybody in the room tonight. Hey, Igbo Nile, Enugu State, Nwanne. And so we pray for the peace of the nation, that we all live in love and unity. One day, hey, in a world of insecurity and strife, when brothers kill each other and we forget who we are.